welcome back to the next Christmas video. This one is all about, not the baby making noise in the background, is Advocaat. This is a very popular drink in England, even though it's Dutch I think, but the original Dutch version, if I've got that right, is quite different to this. It's a thick, pourable sauce and liqueur that they put over things, but we won't go into that. This is a drink that, I mean look, it goes perfect in my mousse glass. Brings back memories. This was the first alcoholic drink I think I ever had. I'm not going to say what age, make my parents look bad. No, I'm going to say it was 18. It's very simply 50 ml worth of this topped up with lemonade. But on Warnick's website they've got some variations that you can make with this Advocaat, so we're just going to try a couple of those and see what happens. Plus there's a little bit of a nice treat in here which we'll go into in a second. So what is it? You know, in its essence, like I said, it's 50 ml. I'm not measuring this at all. Worth of the actual Advocaat itself, topped up with lemonade, and that is pretty much it. I haven't got a spoon, so I'm not going to stir it. But that is your box standard, it's the same as what's in there. That's your box standard Snowball. You're supposed to put some lime in it. We're just gonna decorate that like that. There we go. Very standard Snowball. But what I did the other day, and actually thinking about it, I do have a spoon just here. So we're just gonna very quickly give that a bit of a stir, like so. And there we go, I have officially stirred this drink. I have made, a couple of days ago, some Advocaat ice cream, and I've not even tried it yet, as you can probably see. Whether it's in focus or not, I don't know. And this is an eggless base with a load of this in it, and it smells incredible. I've also put some marshmallows. No, what did I put in there? Meringue. Can't even remember. I've got a lot of ice cream in the freezer. I've put some meringue into this. So what would happen if you made an ice cream float out of your Snowball? Plop. Here we go. Here come the bubbles. Maybe not. Let's just give it a quick stir. Here we go. Knew that would happen at some point. But you've got your standard Snowball with, I mean, I don't even know what this tastes like on its own. Let's try the old bar spoon and get in there. You really can taste that Advocaat come through. Nice little crunch from the actual meringue in there as well. But I'll do, if you're interested, I'll do a video of how to make this ice cream separately. But for now, variation number 2. So that is the end of the second variation. Nice big gulp of that, all in the Christmas beard. And one last variation we're going to do is an affogato with it. So we're going to get our martini glass out. There you go, Charlie, have that. And an affogato is an Italian treat with ice cream with espresso poured over the top of it. So we're going to take another good scoop of our Advocaat ice cream, put that in our glass. Some freshly prepared and exceedingly hot espresso coffee poured over the top, and just to top it off, this is a Advocaat white chocolate sauce that I made about 20 minutes ago. So we're going to scoop a nice big chunk of that and plonk that on top like so. And there you have the final variation on your Snowball. So if you are one of those people that enjoys snowballs in your house and you happen to have an ice cream maker, then why not give this a shot, because this tastes incredible. Nice bit of coffee, mixes with the ice cream really well. That white chocolate sauce is to die for. Well, there you go, that's another little Christmas video, how to do 3 different variations of your avocado. We've got 2 more that we've got planned. We're going to try and film them tomorrow. The baby is actually being surprisingly quiet in the background, which is heavenly and rather unusual. The next 2 are going to be hot chocolate based, so keep your eyes out for those. Hopefully get them up for next week. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and if I don't see you next time, Merry Christmas.